One of the most common role name changes is the release train engineer to something such as the program manager. So here we see the actual name, current name, which is the release train engineer. Now we see that there's this green dot right over here. If you hover over it, you can see that it is a protected element of the core process of Applied Safe, which means that we need to overlay this element to create a new branch. So as we go over to actions and we scroll down to overlay, we clicked on overlay and we see that now there is this slash over the green dot. So which means we have overlaid this element. Now all we have to do is simply go in to actions, edit, and change the name to, in this instance, program manager. Now we just scroll down, click save. And we see that this role name now changed to program manager. And if we scroll down to the activities and click on, for example, prepare the next PI, you see that the role name is now program manager versus before it was the release train engineer. Now, if I click back, you can see that within the text itself, it still says release train engineer. And this needs to be done with a separate tool, which is the step 2 of this process. And I will show you how we have done that with a client of ours in the past. So you can see that previously, the product manager has been changed to the HCO program manager. And if I click on this role, you can see that even within the text itself, it says HCO program manager and not product manager. So you can see that down here as well. So everywhere where it was the previous role name, now within the text itself is also the new role name. And as I mentioned, this is easily done within a tool called Method Composer. It's basically exchange and replace all for the text, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to do both of these steps and to be able to change the role names within Applied Safe. And of course, this can be done for all elements of Applied Safe as well. Thank you.